On a hot afternoon at a railway station in Delhi, an old man in a torn kurta and faded dhoti was frying hot, crispy kachoris. Baba, give me 2 kachoris, please. I'm really hungry. I will pay tomorrow, I promise.
Yes, son. Go ahead and eat. I know you must be hungry.
Oh, Baba, you're so kind. You always give me kachoris without asking for money even. Bablu happily takes the kachoris and sits on a bench nearby. Ramlal often fed poor hungry kids like this for free. He lived in a small hut near the station with his wife. And he sold kachoris to earn the living. Baba, please give me 1 plate of hot kachoris.
Of course, daughter. Just a moment.
As soon as the woman takes the bite of the kachori, her tired face lights up. Wow! After so many years, I have finally tasted real kachoris.
Thank you, daughter.
Slowly, more customers start arriving and Ramlal gets busy serving them. His entire day passes this way. At night, just as Ramlal is packing up his cart, Bablu comes running to him with a bag in his hand. Baba, here is a new kurta for you. I told mom yours was torn, so she stitched one for you from the leftover cloth.
You really care about me, don't you? Thank your mom from me. Okay, I'll go now. See you tomorrow.
The next day, Ramlal comes wearing the kurta stitched by Bablu's mother. But Bablu doesn't show up at the station that day. 2-3 days pass by, but there is no sign of Bablu. One night, Ramlal says to his wife,
I don't know why Bablu isn't coming for kachoris these days. I'm really worried. I think I should go check on him. My heart feels uneasy. Something doesn't feel right.
Yes, go see him, otherwise you'll keep worrying. Ramlal slowly walks towards Bablu's slum, where he lives in a broken hut with his mother. As Ramlal reaches the corner of the street, he sees a crowd. In the middle, there's a body laid out for a funeral. Ramlal gets stunned.
Oh God, who is this? The old lady was very sick. Couldn't get any medicine. She passed away this morning, leaving Bablu all alone. Bablu? His mother is no more?
Hearing this, tears fill Ramlal's eyes. He walks a few steps forward. Bablu is sitting beside his mother, crying. As soon as he sees Ramlal, he runs and hugs him tightly. Baba, Mom is gone. She is gone. She left without saying anything. She left me alone, Baba. What will I do now? Ramlal hugs him with trembling hands and starts crying too.
Don't cry, Bablu. Your old grandpa is here, isn't he? Don't cry, my child. Come with me now.
Ramlal brings the weeping Bablu home to his hut and tells Gomti everything. Gomti feels deep sorrow for Bablu. She gently pats his head and speaks with love. Bablu, son, don't cry. This is your home now and we are your parents. Bablu tightly clutches Ramlal's dhoti with his little fingers. From then on, Bablu starts living with Ramlal and Gomti. In Ramlal's tiny hut, there is now a small corner just for Bablu. Every morning, Ramlal and Bablu go to the station together. Ramlal starts frying kachoris and Bablu stands by the cart offering water to customers and folding newspapers into packets. Baba, look, I packed the kachoris nicely, right?
Well done, my dear. Keep working hard like this, and one day you'll earn a lot.
While Ramlal and Bablu were chatting, a woman approaches their cart. Oh, Baba, you are still selling those same hot kachoris.
Yes, daughter. What else can this old man do at this age?
True, Baba. But I think you didn't recognize me. A few days ago, I ate your delicious kachoris.
Oh, yes, daughter. I see so many new faces here every day. And these old eyes don't see too well anymore.
That's okay, Baba. But who is this little boy? Your grandson?
Yes, think of him as my grandson. God gave him to me. He was hungry, helpless. Now he is everything to me.
Yes, my mother passed away, so Baba brought me with him, and now I help him out. And your studies? Studies? You are at an age to study, not to make kachoris, child. But how can I go to school? I have to help Baba, and we don't have enough money to. If you studied, you could have not only changed your life but given your Baba a better life too.